Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to create a trending AI Christmas photo using the latest Gemini AI tool, Nano Banana. In here, we will be making a stunning crystal snow globe Christmas portrait effect that's perfect for your holiday feeds or festive projects. Okay, let's get started. First, just open your Gemini and then just log in using your Google account. And once you're in, just simply tap on create image, this one, or you can also tap on tools icon and then create images like this. This is just same way to activate the Nano Banana, the Google's latest feature that will allows you to instantly edit photo or transform photo using only prompts. It's super easy and fast. And then next, just simply upload your photo that you want to transform. Make sure it's a clear photo because AI will use this as a base for the ultra realistic Christmas effect. Just tap on plus button and then gallery and then just choose your photo like this. And then now comes the fun part. Let's type in a prompt. But before, I have already prepared one prompt like this. Like this, you can just copy my prompt, like just screenshot it and then using Google Lens, just copy it and then paste it to your prompt box. But feel free if you want to tweak the prompt as you like to match your style, just feel free to tweak it. And then next, just copy the prompt and then go back to Gemini, paste it, and once you're done about the prompt, and then just simply tap on generate. And okay, like this, just look at this. You now have a gorgeous Christmas snow globe portrait with a dreamy luxury holiday feel. It's amazing, right? And then next, maybe you can try different pose or outfit to create a whole festive series. And okay, maybe that's it for today's tutorial. If you enjoy this tutorial, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.